guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all my summer makeup routine. Since it's too hot and humid in India, it is very tricky to wear makeup. So I'm here to share my summer makeup routine. But before starting with the video, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Also, you all have pressed the bell icon beside it so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you like any of the product which I have used in this video, you can find them in the links in the description box below. So don't forget to check that out. Now let's get started.
To moisturize my face, I'm using the Body Shop Vitamin E Gel Moisturizer. For foundation, you can use any lightweight foundation which works for you. Here I'm using NY Base Stick Foundation. To give more moisturization, I'm using Good Vibes Argan Facial Oil with gold leaves. I'm taking 2 drops of it and blending it in. Sunscreen is very important during summers. So here I'm using VLCC Sunscreen with SPF 30 and PA+++. This sunscreen is tinted, so if you don't want to wear any foundation, you can just apply this and you're good to go. To prime my face, I'm using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. I'm applying this on my T-zone because that area tends to get oily, and this helps in mattifying the face. Also, I'm using a different primer to prime my eyes. I'm using this Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Eye Primer. This is an additional step. If you want, you can skip this. For foundation, you can use any lightweight foundation which works for you. I'm using NY Base Stick Foundation. I'm placing it all over my face and then I will blend it with a brush. To set everything, I'm using L'Oreal Matte Magic Compact Powder. It has SPF 34 and PA+++, so it's good for summers. For my eyebrows, I'm using Maybelline's Fashion Brow Pencil. For eyeshadow, I'm using Wet n Wild's Rose in the Air eyeshadow. I'm using this white shade and placing it all over my eyelid. Then I'm taking this warm transition shade and putting it to the crease. Now I'm taking the color Molten Chocolate from the Makeup Revolution palette and placing it all over my eyelid. Now I'm taking the same transition shade and blending everything out. For my eyeliner, I'm using InColor's Gel Eyeliner. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. This is a waterproof mascara. For the highlighter, I'm using Wet n Wild's highlighter powder in the shade Precious Petals. For the lipstick, I'm using Maybelline's lipstick in the shade Touch of Spice. This is a very nice nude color. Lastly, to set everything, I'm using NY based makeup fixer. I'm spraying this all over my face.
If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Till then, take care. Bye.